Wow, look at that ship. I wonder if there's anyone in there. Ah, it's a pirate!
Arr, shiver me timbers.
Is that your ship?
Isn't that amazing?
Are you a real pirate?
Who's that?
Is that your first mate? You want to say thank you to Ivana and Mikey and Theo for your amazing ship?
Thanks, Ivana and Theo, for my ship.
Do you love it?
I love it.
You want to show them what's in your treasure box?
Want to show me?
What's over here?
I'll show you what's in my treasure.
Show them your treasure box. Show them how you open it.
Okay, so I open it like this. And
What do you got in there?
some treasure.
What kind of treasure?
I got treasure from. I got toaststone and some more things. And
What else do you got in there? You want to show them how it's a secret? It has a secret compartment in your treasure chest?
Yeah. You know what?
I think your first mate is taking your ship.
No. I got a secret apartment.
Yeah, well, you know what we have to do? Put the flag up in your boat.
You want to say thank you, Xavier?
Thank you.
Want to say see you later, love
See you
ya?
later.
Wait, but you were showing us what was in there.
Oh,
And then I want them to see the false bottom.
can you
Yeah.
put that?
And find a way to fly this pirate flag.
Anyway.
What else you got in your treasure box?
Okay. I got a secret apartment.
Take your box closer to Daddy so he can see the secret compartment. This boat is amazing. That's like the coolest thing I ever saw.
My first thing is no sheep is doing.
They can't see you when you're facing the couch. The camera's over there.
It's alright, your first mate took the spotlight.
And I got a secret apartment.
Yeah? Take it over and show the camera.
I got a secret apartment.
Whoa.
What's in your secret compartment?
I got golden balloons. And
Oh.
guess what else?
What else?
I got some more books. Living colors don't match.
Where are you going to sail to next?
Pirate Island.
Pirate Island?
Yep, it's really wild there.
Really?
Yep. Wild than anyone.
Wow.
Or than anyone. And guess what? I'm going to go there now.
Show us how you drive your boat.
Where do I drive it?
You going to show us?
Over there?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Over there?
Over there.
Like that, okay? I'll put all my treasure back.
The video is getting pretty long.
I think you better show them how you drive your boat.
Show us how you drive first.
Okay. So, I go over here. This is the steering wheel. And I turn it this way and this way. So, I got a gas pedal here. Mine needs a gas pedal. And done.
Say see ya.
See ya. We're gonna be ya.
Say love you guys.
Love you guys.